Hello, everyone, and we are here to discuss our interview. And we have chosen CMU Karate Do Club as the organization that we chose to interview. So, here are our table of contents. First is the purpose of the organization. Second is the goal and objectives of the organization. Third is the purpose of their member in their organization. And lastly is the documentations. So the purpose of their organization emphasizes respect and character development and camaraderie and self-defense. So ang pinakauna gyud nga gi-emphasize is respeto. Respeto sa usag-usa, sa instructor o sa art sa karatido. Second is ang character development, ang pagmold sa imong pag-encourage, pagkuan sa imong growth and integrity, instilling discipline and perseverance through rigorous training. Third is camaraderie, ang pag-build sa strong sense sa community and mutual support among sa mga members. And camaraderie ga-promote po siya teamwork and lifelong friendships. And next is self-defense. So ang isa gid sa mga purpose sa organization kay ang pagtudlo og effective self-defense skills sa mga members, enhancing their confidence and ability to protect themselves and others in real-world situations. So next is goals and objectives. So ang isa sa mga goals sa CMU Karate Do Club is ang pag-train sa mga kusog nga mga atleta nga pwede modula sa palaro o sa mast. Develop proficient karate practitioners through rigorous training programs focusing on technique, physical fitness, and mental discipline to excel in competitions and personal growth. Ang ikadua is team building. So importante kayo sa organization sa CMU Karate Do Club ang team building. So kay di maglisod mo gyud ka kung ikaw ra isa. Lisod ka kang improve. Kinahanglan ka og kanang healthy environment nga maka-collaborate ka, motivate ninyo usag-usa and mag-work mo towards common goals in enhancing your karate skills. And another objectives is the strengthening of Karate Do. So, ang club ga-promote ang mga traditional values sa karate. Na sila yung mga specific code of conduct na nakasulat sa ilang sa ginatawag nga dojo kun na ginasabot na sa kada member ay mosulod. And it exemplifies respect, humility, bawal hambog. Next is self-improvement. While adapting to modern training methods and competition standards to ensure the continued growth and relevance of the Karate Do art. Next is the purpose of the members in the organization. So, first is registration fee. As with the most of the clubs in the university. So, depende siya. Depende vary siya every semester. But before mo kolektahan o registration fee, mag-conduct sa meeting dayon i-inform ang mga gusto ma-appeal sa breakdown sa kwarta para makabalo ka kung unsa gyud ang kabutangan sa mong kwarta. And ka-training sila MWF 5:30 to 7:30 PM sa New Edoc Building at mang sa Old Rose. And dito ga-training sila og mga sa akong ibalaan, Monday is kumite, it means sparring, and Wednesday is kata, which means form, and pagka Friday mix na din sa both. And pwede po ang mga members ga-training para sa mga tournaments outside sa school or within the school, and na ranking system ang karatod nyo. Yes, which can be seen in their belts, but each and everyone is equal and important. So isa gid sa mga pinaka-importante sa club is respect. Next is, here is the documentation, and here is Eliado Kennedy James interviewing the Vice President of the CMU Karate Do Club, Bon Alwin Carpintero, from College of Agriculture. Entomology ang course ni Mr. Bon Alwin Carpintero. And nakakuan po tag chance nga makita sila mag-training. So this is the setup. This is how it looks in their regular training. The next picture, yan. First image is the warm-up. And sa second image, kaning mga seniors na to nga nag-perform. Third picture, warm-up again. Dayon, fourth picture, ang pag-training na agad. And that would be all. And thank you for watching.